name is Nisha Agrawal. And you?
I am Sanju Patidar.
Oh, do you have any pet name?
No, I don't have any pet name.
Same here.
Oh. Where are you from?
I am from Raipur. And you?
I am from Mumbai.
Oh,
Where do you living in Kota?
I am living Mahaveer Nagar first in Kota. And you?
I am living at Rajiv Gandhi Nagar.
Why you came in Kota?
For my daughter study. She is doing preparation IIT.
Okay, my son is also doing prepare for IIT.
Oh, nice. Kota is very good place
Hmm.
for study, especially NEET or IIT.
Yeah, you are right. How old is your daughter?
My daughter is 16-year-old.
Okay. You are living joint family or nuclear family?
I am living with joint family. There are 10 members in my family.
Wow, what a coincidence. I am also living in joint family. My husband and his brother live together along mother-in-law.
Oh, nice. What's your husband profession?
My husband is a businessman. He deals in medicine. We have also field. We have grow grains and the vegetables.
Oh, nice.
Tell me about your husband profession.
Yes, why not? My husband is a production engineer. He manages all the details of production.
Okay. When does your birthday come?
My birthday comes on 30 April.
My birthday come on 8 September. Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do exercise regularly.
I am also doing yoga.
Nice. What do you prefer, tea or coffee?
I usually take tea with breakfast, upama, poha, dhokla.
Oh, nice.
And you?
But I prefer only green tea.
Okay. Do you tell me how to make cheese sandwich?
Yes, why not? I tell you, boil some potatoes,
Okay.
add some spices such as hing, cumin seeds, coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix up all the things and put in the bread with cheese and grill it. Now sandwich is ready.
Wow, it's so easy. You have told very easy recipe. I will try it.
Yes, why not? Try. Do you like street food?
Yes, I like street food. Water ball, chaat, pav bhaji, barab gula. And you?
I also like it. Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
I am pure vegetarian. What time do you prepare dinner?
I prepare dinner around 7 o'clock.
I am also doing prepare dinner about 7 or 7:30. What your pastime activities?
What?
It means what are you doing free time in Kota?
Oh, I am learning English as well as dance.
Oh, good job. I am also searching English class. Can you tell me where are you going?
Yes, why not? You come with me tomorrow?
I will meet tomorrow at 5 o'clock.
Yes, we will meet in front of Safalya.
Okay.
Yeah, done. If you like our video,
Please like it.